Hello, it's Debbie and Suellen, and we would like to talk about the Q24 on the frame and how we oil it today. That's our video for today. Is how do we oil and maintain our machine?
One of the most critical things in maintaining a machine is making sure that it is cleaned and oiled. If my machine, I can listen and I can hear when it starts sounding funny, but I find I usually start each morning by cleaning and oiling my machine. I use the little brush that is included by Bernina, but I also use, and this is just from cleaning, from doing a couple of videos, but I also use other brushes, and so I find that sometimes using the soft sable brushes helps get things if they're a little farther in. I just try to find all the different places that the dust may hide. And you know, we've just done a couple of videos, that's all we've done, but the thread depends on what kind of thread you use and what kind of batting.
Thread and batting both give us lovely lint, that's true.
And some of the fabric.
And we just like to make sure that we're cleaning it out very regularly.
So we got that all clean, and we got about that much.
Which is not a lot.
Not a lot. After we finish cleaning down in the bobbin area, then we're going to go up above and look as well, because we don't want this getting dusty. Now this is a very clean machine. Mine sometimes does not look nearly this clean when I open it up. Depends on what I've been quilting, but this is equally important to keep clean, and so that it doesn't have
and the
anything.
needle bar as well.
Yep, the needle bar. And then the critical thing is you have to turn the hand wheel until you just see this.
So this hand wheel that is right next to the machine, we turn it away from us, not towards us like on a traditional sewing machine.
Thank goodness it has an arrow.
That's correct.
But you see this little
I call it a finger.
Yeah, finger. That's what you want to look for.
So we have our little oil pen that Bernina provides with the machine.
And you put this right there. And what I do then, at this point, I unthread my machine and I put it on manual and I press start. And it'll come back and say no, but all I'm doing is spreading the oil.
Spreading the love.
It thinks I'm doing something wrong, but I know there's no thread in. I'm just spreading the oil around. And now I'm ready to start quilting with the oiling and cleaning of the bobbin area.
So we just thread up the machine, put the stitch plate back on, and put our bobbin case back in, close the bobbin case, and we are ready to go. That was oiling and cleaning the Q24 in a small video, and that's as easy as that. Thank you so much, Suellen, and thank you, and please look forward to some more videos from us.